Are you looking to buy a home or invest in real estate? The Jerry Moore Group offers world-class service to clients around the globe. Call us today to set up your personal tour at 417-337-1509 or email us at jerrymoregroup.com. Step inside this home with vaulted ceilings and enjoy one of 2 fireplaces located in the living room and sunroom. This split floor plan allows for peace and quiet in the master suite with jetted garden tub and walk-in shower. Spacious kitchen with mobile granite counter island makes for ease of cooking with entertaining. One-of-a-kind artistic design shelving throughout the home will display your favorite books and memories. This home is perfect for the person that wants to be near the lake for boating and fishing, or for the avid golfer with its beautiful 18-hole golf course nestled near the water and beautiful Ozarks Mountains. Holiday Island is a summer vacation retreat or year-round living area depending on your preference. Many folks live here for the amenities the community